It's a beautiful morning in Italy with a 14th century fresco on the wall here at Village Brone in Ravello, Italy. And when you come to Italy, you're quite often greeted with a beautiful scene on the terrace like we have here. Morning is breaking over the Amalfi coast. It's so beautiful, I don't want to talk over it.
Here in the city of Ravello on the Amalfi coast, there's these paths, these cute little trails that head right down to the water. This one can take you right to Amalfi or Minori, as you can see here. We're gonna climb down and head all the way down to the coast, but don't forget, you've gotta climb all the way back up.
Did you order a cappuccino?
Actually, I ordered a prawn cappuccino. Right here, this unbelievable presentation of prawns at the bottom in a special sauce with celery and a whipped potato, light whipped potato topping. Looks exactly like a cappuccino. The delicious produce, everything sourced locally here at this restaurant Salvatore in Ravello. Some delicious rosé wine, topped with a little crostini, little bread, homemade here. Such elegance here on the Amalfi coast. Here we are for the wedding in Ravello, the cake transportation. They're coming in with the cake. Walking cake.
Nice and good. È aperto?
Choose dinner with a view. The beautiful Amalfi coast right below you as you sip your wine. Cheers. Just one of the many specialties you get when you come to the Amalfi Coast are little touches, like for instance the bread at a restaurant. Besides the locally sourced bread and the potato cream spread, this is a carta mascara, a mask card. It's a cracker. It's paper thin, and look at the artwork done on that. It's so nice I almost don't want to eat it. Well, I want to eat it. That's no normal breadstick. And let's go for a local Campania wine. Campania is the region that Amalfi is located in, the Amalfi Coast. It's a beautiful blend. Domenica has decided to have rosé, which is also very nice. Okay, folks, when you're in the Amalfi Coast, there's lots of treats, especially what's over my shoulder, the Amalfi Coast. We're having dinner, but I will say, ci vediamo qui, which means we'll see you here.
Amore